Maybe now isn't the time for you to be buying a home. Buying a home is a big deal, and today we're discussing 5 reasons when it might not be smart for you to purchase. It's not just about the cost of the house. It's about your current life situation, the costs of moving, maintenance, and your short and long-term goals. Hi, I'm Cher Revolinski from eXp Realty. I'm a realtor here in the Denver, Colorado area, and I love educating my clients to help them navigate the real estate market. Leave a comment below and we'll send you our free buyer's guide to provide even more insight into this process. So before you decide to buy a home, take some time to think about whether it's right for you. Here are 5 reasons why buying may not be the best choice. Number 1, you've had recent credit problems. If you've been late on payments for any reason or have an outstanding debt that has gone into collections and it hasn't been paid off yet, then you may not qualify for a mortgage loan right now. If you've had a bankruptcy on your credit report, it will stay there for at least 7 years. That's because the law says that you can only file for Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy once in your lifetime unless you have extenuating circumstances. Number 2, you're getting married soon or you're getting divorced. Don't move if you know that what you want to get married in the near future. Marriage usually requires a move because spouses don't want to live apart from each other anymore, or they don't want to live with their parents anymore. The purchase decision should be made together. And if your spouse has bad credit, don't expect him or her to help pay off debts on your home purchase. Number 3, you have no savings assets that can be used as collateral for a mortgage loan. If you have no savings or assets that can be used for a mortgage loan, which is called your cash reserves, then you're not in a position to buy a home. You may not have enough income to afford the monthly mortgage payments, plus all the other expenses associated with home ownership, which includes insurance, taxes, and upkeep, not to mention the closing costs. Number 4, you will want to move again soon, or at least within the next few years. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments most people make in their lifetimes. If you aren't planning on staying put for at least a few years, then it probably isn't worth it to buy right now. If you buy a home, then sell it within 2 years, the IRS will actually tax you on that investment. That's because they see it as a short-term investment and not long-term property ownership. Number 5, you're not sure if your current job is where you want to stay. Job security is a big concern for many people, and it's one of the reasons why they don't want to buy a home. If you aren't sure that your job will be around in 5 years, then buying might not be the best move right now. Also, changing jobs soon could mean you have a different commute. This could result in a longer commute in a few years that you wouldn't have imagined or even accepted right now. So do you have questions about whether buying a home is right for you? Reach out and I'm happy to help. Or just use the Calendly link below to book a few minutes for a conversation. I'm Cher Revolinski from eXp Realty. Reach out if we can help. 303-884-2738. Hey, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel to stay informed. Talk to you soon.